Fire Escape Academy inspector training video. A couple of things to look for on fire escapes. The law is very clear. Must be structurally sound, must be kept painted. So let's take a look at the first and easiest part. Has it been kept painted? Is there more paint than rust on this fire escape? And the answer is yes, there's more paint than rust on this fire escape. So the next thing we got to look for, if this is a pass-by inspection, is other issues that could trigger a structural, if anything is life-threatening in any way. The first one we have is this cantilever and that weight box. That weight box is supposed to be controlled. As you can see it dangling in the wind. Should that cable ever give way, it's going to crush or kill somebody who's coming in and out of that door. So all weight boxes must be in a tube, must be controlled so that in cases of failure, the weight box is controlled so that it doesn't fall. You got a release arm on these things that basically keep the cantilever up so that nobody pulls it down in case somebody's trying to break into the building. Then you've got just some normal structural issues on the fire escape that with a release arm that thing will be in control. So that's one of the only things that you can see on this particular fire escape is just that, is the control of the release arm and the balance of the thing. The stringers are all welded, so that needs to be inspected. Then during the inspection of the cantilever, they'll pick up whether or not the stringers and the steps are good on this fire escape. So if you have any questions on this or any other fire escape, and as an example, we have another weight box down there on the ground, 3-4 feet from the ground. So there was a failure down there that we're going to use as an example. As a matter of fact, let me walk down there and use this as an example. So this is what happens if that fails, but here's a fire escape that we're going to go to right now that has a weight that has actually failed. So if you look at this, it's got more rust than paint, so this fire escape failed just on the paint job. But now let's take a look at structural. There's no release arm on this cantilever, and the cable is all frayed and splitting, and we've got a weight box down at the ground. If this weight box was to fall any further, now this weight box is